First, open your YouTube app. Next, click Video Upload icon in the top bar. Next, you can upload a video that has been recorded and edited. In this video, we will upload such a video and publish it. So, select the edited video from your phone. Enter a suitable title for your video that you want to publish on your channel. Next, enter video description under description section. Here, I have typed and saved the description in my Notepad app. Let me copy and paste it below the video. I have even added the video hashtags here. I do not want to publish the video publicly yet, as there is no option of uploading a custom thumbnail image for the video in YouTube default app. For that, we can use YouTube Studio app. You can see here the video upload process is under progress and it's done. The video will be unlisted in YouTube channel until we publish it publicly. So let's head to YouTube Studio app. If you don't have YouTube Studio app yet installed, install it on your phone. Open it and you can see the video I uploaded and unlisted. Click on the unlisted video title. Now, here let's add the thumbnail video tags and publish it publicly. Next, click the pencil icon above the video. Next, click Edit Thumbnail on the video. Here, you can either select auto-generated thumbnail from the video or you can upload a custom YouTube video thumbnail. Select the thumbnail from your phone and add it. Enter video keyword tags and change the privacy settings to public and save changes. And done. You can see your thumbnail on the video. Now the video is live for all the public to view on your channel. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to my channel if it was helpful. Thank you.